case, okay? So this one will more or less be the gram negative. When it is outside and it's a lot, then the teichoic acid will stay and then make that organism called what? Gram positive bacteria. Okay, so that's the bacteria. Now this tail-like thing is the flagella. Okay, it uses that to move. So the inner cell surface space is called the cytoplasm. Then we have the nucleus with the nuclear material within it. Okay, it's not a nucleus, it's a nuclear material collection. No membrane. Okay, that is why it is called prokaryotes. Okay, then we have the virus. Okay, we have the poliomyelitis virus. Okay, that's also here. That's the polio virus. And then we have the nucleic acid kind of thing here, which is covered by this membrane. Okay, that's the herpes virus with envelope. Okay, so the viruses, you may have an envelope or you may not have envelope. Okay, so this is no envelope, this envelope one. Okay, so the polio has no envelope, the herpes virus has envelope. Those that have envelope usually may be able to deal with soft tissue like the mucus and so on. But the polio, which is no envelope, may get into the body, get to the other parts like the nervous system where the cells are well specialized. Something like that. The picture is not a broad thing, but it gives you a picture of how things are good. Okay, if you have no envelope, they are able to withstand harsh environmental conditions. Okay, those with envelope, if the environment changes, the envelope may dissolve and the organism may be destroyed. Okay, so then we come to paramecium. We talk about it under 8 group. Okay, so look at it. It has these cilia on it for movement. Okay, either to rotate as they go, to spin as they move. Okay, then we have the vacuole. The food vacuoles concentrate. Maybe filter as collection of food storage. So right, either for water and other things. Okay, right. So this has the anterior contractile vacuole. Okay, then you have the food vacuole here. Okay, right. So formation of channels of contractile vacuole. So this will come together and then form the contractile vacuole. So that is it. Then you may have an inner cytoplasm and then you have an outer cytoplasm. Okay, the cystome means mouth-like. Okay, means like opening. Okay, cystome, that has the opening of the cyst. Cyst is like a cell. Right. So these are the pictures that you can use to. Right. So the pellicle is there to rotate, to move. Okay, that's the pellicle. Okay, right. So we come to the amoeba. It has a cell membrane. Okay, the food vacuole is there. Okay, the contractile vacuole. The contractile vacuole is for what? Fluid flow to end. That helps in movement. Okay, so that is the okay, right. All right. So the pseudopodium. Pseudo means false what? Foot. Podium is foot. Okay. So it's like foot, but it's not a true word. Foot, so we say pseudopodium, right? So we have ectoplasm and then endoplasm forming the cytoplasm, like I said, the two can be separated. Okay. Then we come to the euglena. It has what do you call it? The stellate chloroplast. Okay. So this is it. It's inside it. The chloroplast. So it has a chlorophyll, so to be able to take part in what you call it, photosynthesis. Okay. Then we have the pellicle, which is the outer part here, this you see. Then we have the granules, which are also there. The granules are there within it. Okay. So these are collections within the cytoplasm. Okay. Then we have what? The reservoir. Reservoir as part of the portion here and this side. Okay. The nucleus is also there. The myelin, so something to do with contraction, muscles. Okay. Contractile vacuole is also there. Okay, right. Then it has some vesicles around it which are formed. Okay. Then we have the light sensitive region on the flagella. Okay, or the flagella. Then we have pigmented spots in it. Right. So this is more or less a mobile one, but it's also photosynthesis. It also undergoes photosynthesis. Okay, so this usually will fall under group like the organism, global organism, maybe like the protista and so on. So they are able to move. They are able to behave like plants. They are able to behave like what do you call it? Animals. So those in between plants and animals usually will fall under protista. Okay, Right, so we have the Spirogyra, okay, which is a protista, okay, does not move, okay, it has a chlorophyll, okay. So although it's not plant, it's not fungi, it's able to undergo photosynthesis, okay, it's not mobile, okay. So because it is like plant, but it's not plant, so it's in between, so it falls under protista, okay. So look at the labels, it has spiral what? Chloroplast, cytoplasm, okay, so on. So look at, you can pause the video and then look at the diagrams, okay. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at them well, and then that will help you with your label. Right.